Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the Coach Pennie case, and that's this little cutie right here. So if you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. Alright you guys, I purchased this card case about a week ago and I've been loving it. It's definitely been a go-to for me for right now, only because I really love this brown color in contrast to the canvas. And even though it's not really a contrast, what I mean by contrast is not the same exact color as the canvas. Alright, I love the vintage look of this item. That really has attracted me to it, and I love that this matches the recent backpack that I also bought to go with this. So I'm going to do a little bit of what fits in this item and how you can use it if you should so choose to use it in these different capacities. So we'll start off with traditional cards. Alright, so I have a couple of gift cards and insurance cards and business cards right here. Obviously you can use this as a card holder. You can put your cards in here. And this has the capacity to fit a lot of cards, including cash, receipts, and different things that you want to fold in here and put in there. If you don't want to put your cards here, but you want to put them here, you can. I'm going to put these in here. Let's see how many fits in here. Okay, so they all, they all fit. I just couldn't put them in at once. So I've got quite a few cards in there. And then what I'm going to do in here is just put some odds and ends that I would carry in here. Let's say you wanted to carry it as a little makeup pouch. You can put lip gloss in here. You can take out this key ring so you can hang it on something else. And that lays down in there nicely. If you want to put a hand sanitizer in here, you can. And let's say you want to take a small perfume. Put that in there. You want a little catch-all bag in your purse. And there you have it. And let's say you still want to put one more card in there. You have this slot right here where you can put another card. Okay, so that fits in there really nicely. I don't like how this is hanging out of here, so I'm not sure if this was meant to hang outside of the zipper like this or not, but it is what it is. It still functions. And I'll leave the cards in here for now, but let's say you wanted to use this as a jewelry holder. You're traveling and you're not taking that much jewelry, you're going away for an overnight trip or 2 nights, and you want to take some small jewelry. I have here a few jewelry accessories. I have a necklace. I have a bracelet. I have my Chanel-esque, it's not a real Chanel pen, it's a fashion pen, but I love it. Put that in there. I have these earrings. Okay. We'll put that in there. And these are some little cheap little $2, $3 earrings that I've had for years. And let's say I have in this box here, I have some studs and a necklace. And this is not expensive jewelry. This is costume fashion jewelry in here. I'm just going to dump this in here. And then let's say I want to take my little hoop pearls to match my Chanel pen or Chanel-esque pen. I'm going to stick those in there. Alright, make sure they're inside. Alright, So now I have my cards and I have a little mini jewelry holder. And I had a round jewelry holder, but I sold it because I didn't feel like it was serving me any capacity, and it was actually too bulky. I don't know, something about it I just really didn't enjoy anymore, so I sold the round one that I had, and I can use this. And this is stuffed. I mean, I love this. I love the versatility of this piece right here. Okay, so still keeping and with my cards, still here. Still here. Let's say you want to use this for electronics. You want to put your cell phone cords in here. I typically put my cell phone cords in this little Ralph Lauren little key pouch. Bought this from TJ Maxx like 7 years ago, and I still love it, still have it. But I have my cords here. I have a Android and a iPhone. I have an Android and an iPhone here. I'm going to stick that in there. And let's say I want to get the base. You got to have a base, right? Sometimes you don't need it. You can plug it into walls or things that don't require a base. But let's say you need a base. You can get that base in there. And then zip it up. Now this is a bit distorted, but that's okay. If you don't mind it being distorted, then of course it's going to be distorted because it's not meant for something as bulky as that. But if you are into using your items and really getting your money out of it, this is a good option to use it for. Overall, I love this item. I love the vintage factor of it. I love the fact that it holds a lot and a lot of different items. So hopefully you all managed to get you one while it was 15% off. Alright you guys, so that ends my video on this little cutie. If you have any questions about this item, then please leave it down below. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I would love for you all to join my YouTube channel and support me. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.